Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshni. So for today's video, I'm going to share a collective haul with you guys. So it will be of Sarojini Nagar, Janpat and Street Style Store. Yeah, all of them mixed all together. So ज़्यादा देर ना करते हुए चलते हैं सीधे इस वीडियो की तरफ. So these are all the stuff that I got from Sarojini and Janpat. So शुरू करते हैं. I've already said that, no? Okay, before starting, I did went to Sarojini last week. It's been 2 weeks that I went there. I did go there with all the precautions, with my mask on, my sanitizer and my gloves. I did not forget my gloves. So yeah, and बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ थी to be honest. And इस बार का Sarojini collection I felt was okayish and I managed to get a few here and there. So yeah, we'll start up with the first one. Also, all the products price and the try on will be on this side and that side. So yeah, so that you don't get confused. Now when it comes to sweaters, this time I have been liking थोड़े लंबे वाले so that I can wear stockings and boots, and I have been so much into boots these days. But the first one is this one. So it's a 3 colored sweater and it's pretty long with chain detailing pockets. I'll be trying it out for you guys so that you can see, and the price details, as I said already, it's on the screen. This one is so soft from inside क्योंकि इसमें lining भी दे रखी है, and the fabric is really good. This looks so smart and chic if you put on a overcoat on it and boots. So I got 3 basics from Sarojini, and मैं हमेशा ऐसा कुछ ढूंढ रही थी जो बहुत सिंपल हो and can go with all of the colorful coats or jackets that I have. Well, let's talk about this first one, which is my favorite among all of these. So this is what the top looks like. It's a pretty light blue color with full sleeves, and in front it has this kind of detailing, like आगे से थोड़ा छोटा and पीछे से काफ़ी लंबा. It's pretty oversized, that's why I love it, because I love things that are overflowing. Oh, and today I'm wearing my dad's sweater because this goes well. So yeah, and the fabric is so soft and I can't believe I got it like for so cheap. On to the next one. I got a black turtleneck. I had one, but जो पहला वाला था उसका fabric was very harsh and itchy, though I got it for $50. But yeah, that was not worth it. So I was like, this time थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा I'll pay, but I'll get a perfect, looks classy. Trust me, for the amount I got it, I am very happy about it. The next one that I have is a basic sweater, again in beige color, and oh my god, this is so soft and worth the price. मैं ये हर कपड़े के लिए बोलने वाली हूँ, because whatever I got on, like in this haul, it was all worth it. Now this one is also very stretchy and the fabric is little bit shiny, but it goes perfect, and ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्म है. It warms you up to the max that you need over here. Now I also got 3 overcoats, and I tell you, they are my absolute favorite. I'm saying it for all the kapdas, but this is my absolute favorite, trust me, because it's in purple color. Just look, and oh my god, this is so cute. It looks so cute when I pair it up. I haven't worn it yet, but I have an idea on how I'll pair it. So yeah, so this is what it looks like, and why I got it, because of the purple color. And also look at the sleeves, it is puffy sleeves, such a cute one. इसके अंदर lining भी है, so you know it's not itchy, and also it has pockets. Where is it? Yeah, and also इसके साथ ये rope भी है so that I can tie it up, and this one looks so delicate and so smart. I also got another coat that is in beige color. Now this one is something that I don't own, only because I like that was the reason I got it. Now this one is an open coat, but it looks so pretty. And yeah, इसके अंदर भी ऐसे lining दे रखी है, and you can only see it on the try on how it looks. Otherwise ये coat like it looks bleh. I wore it to my office with my Page sweater, this jeans and my flats. Yeah, you're going to see the flats also. Stay tuned till the last. So yeah, and also iska fabric is really soft and I'm so happy about it. Mom was like, why did you bring such coats? इतने सारे already हैं. I'm like, Delhi है, ठंड है. It's very obvious. And I'm a person who thinks कि सरोजनी में काफ़ी सही कोट मिल जाते हैं. So I don't need to invest in Zara या H&M के. It's just me like that. You know, for me, brand doesn't really matters. Quality of the कपड़ा matters. It is like that. तो सरोजनी में you know काफ़ी अच्छी क्वालिटी की चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं. That's why I'm just like that. So yeah. Also इसको देख के मुझे सिम्बा वाला फील आता है ना, लायन किंग. The last coat from Sarojini that I got is this one. This is a military vest type coat. So like it's very thick and very heavy, but it looks really cool. इसमें काफ़ी सारे detailings दे रखे हैं. Look at this. There's one pocket, one is over here, and then this long sleeve जिसमें button detailings है again. And also इसमें कमर पे ऐसे you know string आता है. Where is it? Yeah, so कमर पे ऐसे string आता है. So if I pull it, it actually gives a shape to my body, which is really good. So yeah, this one is the last one from Sarojini. I got 2 more sweaters from Janpath, so let's get on to that one. Okay, when it comes to Janpath is a higher version of Sarojini. It's like अगर सरोजनी में कुछ 200 या 100 का मिल रहा है तो जनपथ में उसका डबल मिलेगा. 200 का 400 एंड 100 का 200. So like that. So वहाँ पे bargain करना is a little difficult. A grey basics. Now this one is a long one with such embroidery. You can see थोड़ा with such designs on it. Now this one looks like a thermal का जो ad आता था अमिताभ बच्चन जी का, kind of like that, but I don't mind. It looks cool when I style it with my leather jacket or something. This one, okay, the next one is one of my favorite because of this, the pattern. It actually gave me a vibe of New York Christmas. Now I got it from men's section. Yes, I got it from men's section, and this one is so cute. Look at all the patterns. It's like all tribal patterns with all the colors, and the neck part is this. I got few more stuff from Sarojini that I forgot to mention. The first one being footwear. Now this one is the one. This one is in lavender, faded lavender color, but it's like purely plastic. And again, this has 2 bands like this. This में इत्तो सा heel है, which is very comfortable. I got it because I don't know, I liked it. Actually I wanted to match it with my lavender purple coat, but yeah. This one I got it in a size 39 from Sarojini. So it's good quality, it's really comfortable, and yeah, I quite like it. It makes my feet look longer. So, and also I got few earrings. Check it out. it's not over yet. Street style store is left. Now I have been so shameless. I love shoes, okay? And even if I have 10 pairs, if that I don't, I have more than that. But anyways, even if I get more 10 pairs, I wouldn't regret it. I love shoes. And ये पहली बार था कि मैं स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर गई, दिल्ली वाला, that is in हौस खास, and I was amazed. सारा कलेक्शन नहीं होता जो ऑनलाइन है, but whatever there was and whatever I got, I was very happy. I went there twice. First I got 3 flats for the 999 वाला offer that you will get on their website. वहाँ भी काफ़ी options थे, but I guess ऑनलाइन आने में ज़्यादा वक्त लगता है. अगेन वेन एवर आई बाई फ्लैट्स आई एम वेरी बेसिक. मुझे हर कलर का सॉलिड फॉर्म चाहिए होता है. लाइक एक ब्लैक होना ही चाहिए, एक बेज होना चाहिए एंड एक वाइट होना चाहिए. सो इन दैट वे आई गॉट 3 फ्लैट्स. सो दिस वन इज़ द फर्स्ट वन. यू कैन सी आई ऑलरेडी वोर्न इट, तो थोड़ा सा dirty लग सकता है, but this one is so pretty. It's a beige color, but it must be looking a bit yellow on the camera, which is fine. I'll post a picture too, and I'll also give the links to these shoes if I find from the original website. So yeah, this one is really good, and also the quality is, I love it. Now this one is the one that I got in black. As you can see how pretty it looks. It looks like leather, but of course it is not, it is fake. And this also has buckle like this, but a huge one. I got again this one in size 40. इससे पहले मैं 39 मंगवाती थी and I had to return. Also मैंने एक बार फ्लैट्स मंगवाए थे 3. So तीनों में से एक तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हुआ, so I returned it. और बाकी 2 बचे, तो एक उनमें से मैंने एक्सचेंज करने को दिया एंड उसका पता नहीं क्या हुआ, इट नेवर रिटर्न्ड. सो बेसिकली तीनों में से मेरे पास एक ही बचा, बाकी सारे पैसे डूबे. बट इस बार आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विथ माई परचेज. तो या इट्स पॉइंटेड एंड इट्स ब्लैक, इट्स क्लासी. Okay, the next one has to be my favorite because of the pattern. Just look how beautiful she is. Sorry. Now this one also I got it in 40, and this gives me Gucci, Chanel vibes. I don't know why, but I feel like. Next to that I have are 2 sneakers. I got it from their newly launched collection, and they are this kind of chunky sneakers. And this one is so cool. The black one is also cool that I'm going to show you, but this is what it looks like. It has this beige color and then black and then this chunky white platform. Now I am just 5'3", so I need a little bit of height. I love flats because I'm again flat foot, and I guess कुछ दिन पे comfortable होना चाहिए, but again I'm more into sneakers these days. I don't know why. Of course it's because of the winters. I went for boots also वहाँ पे, पर boots का collection मुझे उतना अच्छा नहीं लगा जितना website पे है. So I'm thinking I'll get the boots on the website. But let's see. So yeah. Now the last thing for this haul is this black one. This is very similar to that of the white and the beige one that I showed you. But yeah, this one is also another chunky platform black shoes, and it looks so pretty. When I tried it out, I was very confused. Should I take it or not? But then I was like, ले ही लेते हैं, इतना ही सोचना. So I got these. इसका fabric is like this. It's like velvet का कपड़ा with this leather detailing, fake leather detailing, and the heel size is really huge. I hope this video was fun because I loved sharing my shopping with you guys. Of course I love it whenever I go to Sarojini. Anyway, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram because I post there regularly some fun reels. And also do not forget to check out my shorts, because if you are not following me on Instagram, you can check out those same videos in my YouTube shorts that I keep on uploading. Until the next video, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.